In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AOL email on desktop. All you need is a desktop web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the official page to landing in your new inbox, and I'll share a few simple tips to make everything smooth and secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to https://login.aol.com. This is AOL's official sign-in page. On that screen, look for the Create Account option and click it. If you want extra peace of mind, glance at the padlock icon in your browser's address bar to confirm you're on a secure connection. Next, you'll see a form where you'll enter your first and last name, your desired AOL email address, a password, your date of birth, and a mobile number for verification. Choose a strong password that you'll remember. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Your date of birth should be accurate, as it can help with account recovery later. The mobile number is used to confirm that it's really you and to help protect your account. Now it's time to pick your AOL email address. Type the username you want, and AOL will instantly check if it's available. If it's already taken, you'll see suggestions, or you can try a variation. Maybe combine your first and last name, add a middle initial, or include a memorable number. Keep it simple and professional if you plan to use the address for important messages. You'll then verify your account. AOL will send a code to the mobile number you entered. Keep your phone nearby, open the message, and type the code into the verification box. This quick step confirms your identity. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and then request a new one. To finish, review and accept the terms and the privacy policy, then click Continue. You'll be redirected straight to your new AOL mail inbox. You may see a welcome message and a quick tour. Take a moment to look around. Your inbox, sent, and spam folders are on the left, and the Compose button is easy to spot when you're ready to send your first message. After creating your account, you can go to mail.aol.com anytime to send and receive emails from your desktop. Consider bookmarking the page for faster access. If you prefer using an email app, you can add your AOL account to Outlook or to mobile mail apps so your messages follow you wherever you go. That's it. Your AOL email is ready to use.